I started wearing niqab when I was 13 years old. It was 100% of my own choice. The hijab for me is a reminder of Allah's presence in my life and my duty as a Muslimah to be kind, to be thoughtful, to be giving, to always help others, to respect each other, and to incorporate modesty into everything I do. That's how I want to be recognized. Hijab is my empowerment. Hijab makes me different, in a good way. To all my hijabi sisters, you are strong, you are beautiful, you are perfect, and I love you. This is how I eat at a restaurant. Simply, I just lift up my veil with my left hand. You can also place napkin under your niqab so that it doesn't get dirty. I am used to it now, but beginners, it is really helpful. Drink with a straw for convenience.
كنت وحدي صرت وحدي ذاك قبلي تلك بعدي ربما كنت ثقيلا